everyone, so I'm going to be doing some new content on my channel. I'm going to start talking about travel tips. So as you may already know, if you've looked through my channel, I have a lot of business videos. This could be good and bad. The bad is it's not enough travel videos, and the good is there's plenty of entrepreneurship videos you can go back and look at. And also I will be posting more vlogs and videos, mainly from my new camera. If you've seen some of my videos, my past videos, I have recorded with my new GoPro, so make sure you look at those and tell me what you think. I will also rehash some videos from my past travels to, just to grow my channel. So if you have any suggestions, please comment below. So I really hope you found this video useful, and I also really hope you subscribe and like this video. I will be posting as much travel stuff as possible when I have the time. So if you have any questions or concerns, please respond below, and otherwise I'll see you in the next one. And make sure you look at the link below. I am selling some travel accessories and business materials, so please feel free to look at that website below, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.